Hello everyone. In this video I am going to discuss one more important sum which can be used as property also. So sum is like cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta. 4 theta I am writing as 2 square theta, same thing. Cos 8 theta, same thing. Cos 16 theta in this format. So first step what we are going to do, we are going to divide it by 2 sin theta. So 2 sin theta I am dividing here, and 2 sin theta I will multiply. I will take a pair of 2 sin theta cos theta, then cos 2 theta, cos 2 square theta, cos 2 cube theta, cos 2 to the power 4 theta. So what I can write for this thing? 2 sin theta cos theta, that will be sin 2 theta, right? So the sum will be now 2 sin theta, sin 2 theta. I am taking cos 2 theta in pair now, and then the remaining part is cos 2 square theta, cos 2 cube theta, cos 2 to the power 4 theta. Right? Now I am multiplying 2 and dividing it by 2 once again. So it will be 1 divided by 2 square sin theta. 2 sin 2 theta cos 2 theta, this will become sin 4 theta. I am writing it as sin 2 square theta. Then cos 2 square theta is coming. I will take the pair of this. Cos 2 cube theta, cos 2 to the power 4 theta, right? So now again I am multiplying it by 2 and dividing it by 2. So this will become 1 divided by 2 to the power 3 sin theta. 2 sin 4 theta cos 4 theta, this will become sin 8 theta, sin 2 cube theta, cos 2 cube theta into cos 2 to the power 4 theta. Is it fine? Similar thing I will do here. So what I am gonna do, I am gonna multiply by 2 and divide it by 2 once again. So this will be 1 divided by previous video sin 2 to the power 4 sin theta. This will be sin 2 to the power 4 theta. I'm sorry, sin 2 to the power 4 theta. This will be 2 to the power 4 theta cos 2 to the power 4 theta. Similar thing I will do here again. Last one, I am going to multiply and divide by 2. So this will be 2 to the power 5 sin theta, and now it will be sin 2 to the power 5 into theta. So just check, it was cos theta. The cos theta I can also imagine as 2 to the power 0 theta, this thing, 2 to the power 0 theta, 2 to the power 1 theta, 2 to the power 2 theta, 3, 4. Till 4 we had gone, so the result, just check, everywhere it was 5 and 5 over there. So simplified result, if I just generalize the term, cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 2 square theta till cos 2 to the power n minus 1 theta. So when it was till 4, the result was for 5, so n minus 1, the result will be for 2 to the power n sin theta and into sin 2 to the power n theta. So there is no point of writing this one, only you can imagine this thing. Okay. So I am going to apply this concept in a couple of sums. First sum that I am going to do, that is this one. You have to prove cos pi divided by 65, cos 2 pi divided by 65, cos 4 pi divided by 65, cos 8 pi divided by 65, cos 16 pi divided by 65 into cos 32 pi divided by 65. So if I take this pi divided by 65 as theta, now your sum will be cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 4 theta, same till cos 2 to the power 5 theta. So simplified result can be write 2 to the power 5 theta. It was still 2 to the, this is 2 to the power 5, right? So it will be 2 to the power 6 sin theta into sin 2 to the power, sorry, this will be 2 to the power 6 theta, sin 2 to the power 6 theta. So I had taken pi equals to 65 theta, right? So numerator is sin 64 theta, denominator is 64 sin theta. So 64 theta can be write as 65 theta minus theta divided by 64 sin theta. What is 65 theta? Is pi. So it will be sine of pi minus theta divided by 64 sin theta. What is sine of pi minus theta? In second quadrant, so sine will be positive. So hence it will be sin theta only. So sin theta divided by 64 sin theta. So if I simplify, answer is 1 divided by 64. Right? So one more sum if I will do here. The sum is like this: cos pi by 15, cos 2 pi by 15. This is another famous sum. 3 pi by 15, cos 4 pi by 15, cos 5 pi by 15, cos 6 pi by 15, cos 7 pi by 15. We have to prove this value is equals to 1 divided by 128. So what we are going to do here, I'll just check. First I want to identify the terms which gives us the previous formula till this, right? So if I'll apply here in this 3, it is still 2 square, so it will be 1 divided by 2 cube sine theta into sine 2 cube theta, if my theta is pi divided by 15, right? If I simplify this term, 5 and 15 cancel out, so cos pi by 3, direct formula I know, cos 7 pi by 15, I am keeping it here, and cos 3 pi by 15, pi by 15 is 180 divided by 15, that is 12, so it will be cos 36, which value we know, and this will be cos 72, again which value we know, right? So this two value we know, and we know this value also. So now this part, it is 1 divided by 8, this is half, right? So into 2 sine theta, this is sine 8 theta, so sine 8 theta, if I take this as also theta, so cos 7 theta, this 1 by 2 already I have adjusted here, cos 36 value and cos 72 value, I have put this value also. So now sine 8 theta, what was my theta? Theta already I have taken as pi divided by 15, so it will be 1 by 16 sine theta into, again I am doing one thing here, I am just dividing by, okay, next step I am going to do this, not this step. So what I am going to do here, just check, sine 8 theta can be write as 15 theta minus 7 theta into cos 7 theta over there, a plus b, a minus b, so square minus square, 5 minus 1 divided by 16. So 1 divided by 16 into 16, and this will be 4. I have taken all the constant outside, not outside, all the multiple formula. Now what is 15 theta? 15 theta is equals to pi. So sine pi minus 7 theta, that is in the second quadrant, right? So in second quadrant, sine pi minus theta, this sine theta will be in the denominator. So this sine pi minus 7 theta, and this will be cos 7 theta. I made again mistake. So this will be cos 7 theta, sine pi minus 7 theta, cos 7 theta, this already I have used it. So this cancel out, so 1 divided by 64 into 1 by sine theta, sine pi minus theta second quadrant, so sine 7 theta, cos 7 theta. What I am going to do here, I am going to multiply it by 2 and divide it by 2 also, so it will be 1 divided by 128 sine theta into sine 14 theta. Again what I can write for 14 theta? 14 theta I can write as sine 15 theta minus theta, that is pi minus theta, so that will be again sine pi minus theta, which will be sine theta only. So this sine theta will be cancelled out with this, so answer is 128 as sine pi minus theta equals to sine theta, right? So this is the sum, these are the sums where you can apply this concept. There are many other sums also, we need to apply this concept. This is another important one. I'm going to do one more video, maybe 1 or 2 more videos based on this trigo, multiple and this transform. But there are lots of sums, so if there is any problem, please type in the comment box. I'm going to solve it for you. Thank you.